Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Oh So Inspired Collaboration Team. This inspiration piece for the month of December was selected by Alicia from Call Me Crafty Owl. She's our collaborator and host of this series. And I will have the link to the lady that created that card listed below so that you can go see how she created that card. It is just awesome. I'm telling you, you need to go check it out. Anyway, off to my layout here. All right, I have this background paper 12 by 12, and then I have two other scrap papers that I am going to double map this photograph, and I'm going to come back to you and tell you the story behind this photograph, but it's going to go very quickly here in the beginning. I'm going to anchor my photograph behind that dolly, and I do not know the manufacturer or the collection line of that 12 by 12 background paper. I am double matting my photograph using Vicki Boutin collection line called Field Notes. And I'm using, as far as embellishments, I'm using Field Notes from Vicki Boutin. I'm using Altenew die cut and embellishment pack from Live Your Dreams. And then I'm using a puffy sticker or a couple puffy stickers from Ellie Studios. I don't remember the line. And I'm using that. And then I don't think I use any puffy stickers from Field Notes. I am now using, right now, the Nuva Drops in Mustard Gold, and I am just doing this freehand zigzagging across this 12 by 12 background paper. Let me tell you what, the Nuva Drops, doing it this way and coating it very thin, dries quickly and is very vibrant and beautiful. I'm going to do this again. It was really fun, number one. And number two, it dried really quickly, a lot faster, 10 times faster, maybe 20 times faster than when you create an actual Nuva drop. So that's just a tidbit there. All right, that purple purple die cut with the black stripes is from Vicki Boutin. The phrase die cut piece is from Vicki Boutin. That's in that bluish purple color. And it says, "Find me where the wild things are," which is fitting for this photograph. I cut that circle in half and put an element up there in the upper right corner, but it does not stay there. As you notice, nothing has been secured. I'm still auditioning and figuring out where I want all my elements to land on this page. So that means if it's a sticker, a die cut, a puffy sticker, I haven't secured it yet. The main title of this layout is called Extremely Wild. Actually, it's going to have a hashtag added to it. And then I'm going to put tasty stuff. And that's just being funny. Okay, that's all. That's why that's there. It's just being funny. All right. And then from the All the Good Things collection is that glitter heart, and then I'll use a glitter hashtag, and I will use glitter arrows. So you already see one there in the left to my title, and then I will add a second one to the lower part of my title and next to that blue die cut word piece. All right, the story behind the photograph. All right. In 2018, it rained and rained and rained and rained and rained. And there is a bridge that we have to cross every time to get to our property up in the mountains of North Carolina. This bridge, it flooded 3 times, possibly 4, I think 4 times. And I snapped this photograph the day that we were leaving. We almost didn't think we were going to leave, but the waters did recede and come off the bridge, but was still right underneath. But anyway, you can see all of the limbs and trees and debris that fell in the river there because of the rising water. There was so much erosion, and all the trees and so forth along the banks were just like dropping, like, what do you want to say, like dominoes into the lake. It was horrible. And I think this might have been the 3rd flood within 4 months. So I think that's why there was so much damage done this time. So that's what that photograph is about. All right, back to the layout there. All right, you can see I'm working on an embellishment cluster in the upper right-hand corner. In the end, I decide I don't want it there. I don't need your eyes, anyone's eyes that's looking at this page, to go to the upper right of the corner. We're just going to keep everybody's eye focused right near the photograph. And when I want to do that or create that effect, I keep all my embellishments right around the photograph. So your eye stays right there and it stays on top, or stays, focused into the story or the event that I want you to focus in on. So that's why I move those elements away and I put a small cluster in the lower left-hand corner. I change out that puffy sticker, and then I get out some gold acrylic paint, and I put it around that die cut because I have so much gold going on. So I just wanted to add gold element to that word phrase, die cut. And then here are the close-ups, and it's done. Be sure to follow the other ladies' links listed below to see their take on this month's inspiration piece. All right, show everyone some love by giving a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel and subscribe to the other ladies' channels. I appreciate you all. Please get out those photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way, or make some cards and leave a lasting impression and give them away. See you next time.